How to solder. Clean the pipe. Sandcloth. Stay clean. Soldering flux. See that? A little bit on your brush. Apply it to a pipe. Put a little bit on the fitting. Put the pipe in the fitting. Wipe off the extra flux. Put your foot on it. Heat the joint. Heat the fitting and the joint. Not so much the pipe. Hit it with a 1/2 inch of solder for a 1/2 inch pipe. Done, just like that. You only need a little dab will do you. The flux is gonna suck the solder around the whole pipe and into the joint. So easy a child could do it. Thank you.
Just kidding. My money.